Let's focus on the next bill, and that is the Rashtriya Raksha University. Now, as the name suggests, this university basically would be dealing with police services, dealing with coastal security and cyber security. So, three main aims and objectives of this bill. Now, what this bill is about? So, firstly, this bill would bring in establishment of a new Rashtriya Raksha University, and that would be in the state of Gujarat. This bill repeals the 2009 Act, and the bill brings in that there would be a governing body, academic council and an executive council that would be taken into account, and there would be higher standards of living, safety and research specifically for policing, that is police services, that has been taken into account. There would be 15 members including the vice chancellor and 3 eminent persons mainly from the field of defense and police services who would be the member of the executive council, and then there would be a tribunal of arbitration as we have seen in the previous bills on higher education. The idea here is any student or employee, if they feel that their rights are not taken into consideration, they can approach the tribunal of arbitration for a quick resolution of the issue. So those are the key things that are the highlights of it. Coming on to the functions of the new university, as we said, 3 important departments: the police services, cyber security, and then you would have the coastal services that would be part of it. Along with that, there would be establishment and maintenance of the colleges, and also creating self-funding with prescription of the existing courses. So they would be prescribing the courses, what courses would be run, and what colleges should have which kind of courses, and grant what degree. So granting of degrees, self-funding are some of the key points that are very common to each of the new bills that have come up for any of the universities that we have discussed so far. So any university, any higher educational institution, the idea is to provide them more autonomy, to make them self-funding, self-financing of the institutions, more autonomy, and then creating a tribunal of arbitration are some of the common points that you need to know across each of the higher university bills. We would be covering many more interesting bills in the upcoming lectures. Stay tuned. Have a wonderful day ahead.